Risk assessment and environmental cleaning. When you take time to review your work environment, you can do a lot to keep yourself and others safe when it comes to stopping the spread of infection. This can look different depending on where you work. Think about the possible risks. Can someone be exposed through equipment or surfaces? Does someone seem ill, or can there be exposure in other ways? It's important to decide what can be done to prevent exposure or transmission. This could be anything from wiping down surfaces to letting visitors know that if they're sick, they should stay home or postpone a meeting. Over the phone, we can also remind people that when scheduling appointments or meetings, that we can reschedule if they have a new or worsening cough or fever. Doing a quick risk assessment of your workplace can help keep yourself, your staff, and your clients healthy. Environmental cleaning is an important way to stop the spread of COVID-19. Cleaning removes microorganisms using water and detergents, but does not kill the microorganism. Disinfection actually kills microorganisms. Different areas of your workplace may need to be cleaned and disinfected differently. Some areas, such as public bathrooms and lunch areas, may need to be cleaned and disinfected daily. For other cleaning, disinfection wipes are great for office spaces, meeting rooms, tables, and other high-touch surfaces, which may need to be cleaned and disinfected more often. Little things add up to a lot and can help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Here's how to use disinfection wipes. Gloves may not be needed, but if you have skin that's easily irritated, use gloves or wash your hands after using the wipes. Check the safety information on the product before use. To disinfect hard, non-porous surfaces, thoroughly wet the surface with the disinfectant wipes. It must remain visibly wet for 5 minutes in order for disinfection to occur. If a desk or table is dirty or has food stuck on it, then clean the desk or table before disinfecting. This could mean using one wipe to remove the dirt or food, then rewipe with a new wipe to disinfect. For surfaces that may come in contact with food, follow the instructions on the product label, which is usually to rinse the surface with water after disinfecting. Make sure the lids are always closed after using disinfection wipes. Otherwise, the product will dry up and won't disinfect surfaces effectively. Taking time to do a risk assessment and environmental cleaning can help stop the spread of COVID-19. Have questions? Contact the Halliburton Kawartha Pine Ridge District Health Unit at 1-866-888-4577, extension 5020, online at www.hkpr.on.ca, or by email info@hkpr.on.ca.